So it's 2020 and you're still looking for a way to make money online. Well, you're in the right place because in this video I'll be going over 5 best websites to make money online in 2020. So, like I said earlier, in this video I'll be showing you 5 best websites to make money online in 2020. If that's something you want to learn or that's something you're interested in, then grab a seat because I'll be going over 5 best websites to make money online in 2020. So with what I do, let's get started. The number one website you can make money online is Amazon Associates. Okay, where you make money on Amazon Associates is by becoming an Amazon affiliate. When you sign up as an Amazon affiliate on Amazon Associates, you're going to promote any product on Amazon.com. There are millions of products for you to choose from. When you select a product you want to promote, you're going to get issued an affiliate link which you're then going to promote either on a blog post, social media platforms, YouTube channel, or any platform actually you can think of. You can promote this product, and when someone clicks on your affiliate link and ends up making a purchase on Amazon.com, you're going to earn a commission, and this commission ranges you can earn up to 10% off in the purchase. Okay, and this, I want for example, you're promoting say a mobile phone, and someone clicks on your link and gets onto Amazon.com and ends up buying something else, not the mobile phone you're promoting. Maybe ends up buying a wristwatch, or anything else. You're still going to earn your commission. It doesn't have to be the exact product you're promoting. Anything they buy on Amazon.com within 24 hours, you're going to earn a commission. Okay, so that's how Amazon affiliate program work. That's Amazon Associates. Okay, you sign up, you grab your affiliate link, you then share it on social media and your blog posts, YouTube channel if you have one, or any platform. Okay, when someone purchase, you earn your commission. Amazon Associates is actually a great platform for you to get started if you're looking to make money online. Okay, so definitely check out Amazon Associates. There's a link in the description below. Okay, the number 2 website you can make money online in 2020 is Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a platform where you can actually sell your skills. If you have any skill you can think of, you can actually make money with it on Fiverr.com. Maybe you're good with video editing, graphics, you design logos. Okay, you design WordPress websites, email marketing, social media management, any skill you can think of, you can actually sell it on Fiverr, make money with it. A lot of people are making millions of dollars on Fiverr.com. Okay, a lot of money actually is there to be made on Fiverr. So just sign up if you have any skill, or maybe you think, maybe I don't have any skill I can actually make money with them. Well, even on YouTube, right here on YouTube, you can learn any skill you can think of. Just search on YouTube. There are many tutorials you can learn. You can learn web design on YouTube. You can learn any skill you can think of. You can just watch video tutorials on YouTube and learn a skill, and then you can start making money with it on Fiverr. Or you can buy video courses. Go on websites like udemy.com, buy a course, learn a skill, and then you can start selling it on Fiverr and make good money. A lot of people are actually living off Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a great way to make money online. If you have any skill you think you can sell, or you can make money with it, any skill you can think of, there is a market for it on Fiverr. Of course, you're going to leverage a huge marketplace, Fiverr.com, and sell your skill. Okay, there's a market. A lot of people are looking for people to perform different tasks for them. Maybe design a website, maybe even a simple typing, proofreading, data entry, virtual assistant, anything you can think of. There's a market for it on Fiverr. So definitely check out Fiverr.com. Go on, sign up as a seller and start earning money on Fiverr.com. Okay, the third website you can make money online in 2020 is Udemy.com. Udemy.com is a platform where you can sell video courses. It's a huge marketplace for video courses. So if you have any skill, you can teach people anything. People can learn from you. Okay, you can go on udemy.com, sign up and create a course for free and start making money with it. Any skill you can think of. Okay, maybe you're good with web design. Well, you can go on udemy.com, create a course on teach people how to design websites, teach people how to do graphics, teach people how to do video editing. Any skill you have, any skill people can learn from you. Anything you can teach people. Just definitely go on udemy.com, leverage the huge marketplace to sell your courses. As a great way to start if you're looking to make money online. Definitely check out udemy.com. There's a link in the description below. Okay, third website you can make money online with in 2020 is Bluehost. Bluehost actually is a hosting platform. Okay, so the way we make money on Bluehost is by becoming a Bluehost affiliate. Bluehost has one of the best affiliate programs. Okay, so when you sign up as an affiliate, Bluehost is going to pay you $65 for each successful sign up. So any successful sign up that comes through from your affiliate link, Bluehost is going to pay you $65. So you can actually make cool money. Okay, easy money with Bluehost. Just sign up as an affiliate, start promoting, start sharing your affiliate link, your unique affiliate link. Then when people sign up, buy their hosting services, then you're going to earn your commission, which is $65 for each successful sign up. So definitely check out bluehost.com. So it's a good way to start if you're looking to earn money online in 2020. The number 5 website to make money online in 2020 is right here, youtube.com. If you're looking to start making money on the internet right now, you have to actually create a channel on YouTube, start creating content, and then you can start making money with it. What you do is create a channel, but before you do that, you have to select a niche. A niche is actually an area I think you're familiar with, something you're interested in, or something you're willing to learn. Then you can start creating videos on that, and then eventually you're going to start making money with it. There are different ways you can make money on YouTube. One of these ways is through AdSense. Okay, you can start placing ads on your videos, and then YouTube is going to pay you at the end of the day. You're going to earn commission when you place ads on your videos. Okay, that's just one way to make money on YouTube. Other way is through affiliate marketing. You can start placing affiliate links in your video description. What you do is you can sign up on Amazon Associate, then you can start placing your Amazon affiliate links in your YouTube video description. You can do video reviews of products, video comparisons where you show people, you do reviews of products. Okay, and then you can actually make money that way through affiliate marketing. Another way you can make money on YouTube is through sponsorships. Okay, you can do sponsorships, you can do ads, Google AdSense. A lot of ways you can make money on YouTube actually. So definitely check out youtube.com, because YouTube is right now the second largest search engine on the internet, and with over 5 billion video views a day, YouTube is actually a powerful platform on the internet right now. So definitely check out youtube.com if you're looking to make money online in 2020. Okay, so there you have it, 5 best websites to make money online in 2020. But before you go, I have a bonus one for you, which is pointclub.com. Pointclub.com is a survey website where they're going to pay you for each successful survey you take. They are going to send you on missions. Any successful mission, any mission you complete, Point Club is going to pay you. They are going to pay you. They're going to give you points actually, which you can then convert, or which you can then exchange for dollars and for money and send directly to your account. Okay, so just by signing up on Point Club and verifying your email account, Point Club is going to give you 5,000 points, which is equivalent to $5, which you can then exchange and send directly to your PayPal account. Okay, so actually Point Club is a good website to start. Okay, if you're looking to make money, then you can just go on pointclub.com, sign up, and um, completing taking surveys and make money while doing that. That's a good way actually to make money. So there you have it, 5 best websites to make money online in 2020. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.